Good morning, Full Lifers. Just wanted to come to you live this morning in honor of my friend Jessica Ortner's free ebook. It's called 103 Disempowering Beliefs About Weight Loss and Body Confidence. I also have a little recipe that I want to share with you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So that way you can make a wonderful nut cereal breakfast. Super healthy, high in protein and fiber and just healthy fats, so it's going to help you feel satiated. So this is what I have today on the table. So if you can see it, I have some flax seeds, I have some sliced almonds, I have some raisins, I have some fresh blueberries, coconut chips, maple syrup, the real stuff, it's organic as well, and then I have some coconut milk. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add all these ingredients into the bowl. So first, all of those yummy sliced almonds, about a cup, and then 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup of raisins. I love my raisins in the morning, so super yummy. Add your coconut chips and then your flax seeds so you can have some good fiber in there. And then about a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Oh my gosh, so creamy. So look at that. Super delicious, yummy nut cereal with all these good ingredients that are going to keep you satiated throughout the day. So I wanted to share that with you. Don't forget to get my friend Jessica Ortner's free ebook, 103 Disempowering Beliefs About Weight Loss and Body Confidence. Also, sign up for our monthly newsletter because you will always get information on what's going on in the self-help and personal growth and personal development arena. So I can keep you posted on all of these wonderful programs that everyone is coming up with. And try this recipe. This is so good. I'm going to add my maple syrup, and then I usually pop it in the microwave for about 30-45 seconds to make everything nice and warm and to soften up those raisins. So enjoy this, and don't forget to watch us tomorrow on Thursday Inspirations Facebook Live event. We do that each week, and this week we're going to be talking about why weight loss is such an emotional struggle. And I'll teach you how to quiet your critical voice so that you can finally succeed with your weight loss goals. So I will see you soon. Take care. Don't forget to click the link to get your free ebook. Thank you, and God bless.